All right, welcome back, guys. We got another video for you today from golfcartstuff.com. Today, we are talking about Yamaha wheels and tires. So we are going to be talking about all the questions you guys have about what size works on my Yamaha golf cart, what size lift kit do I need. Don't worry, we're going to take care of all of that. So what we're going to do, we're going to start at the bottom, and we are going to work our way all the way to the top of wheel and tire combo sizes, talk about lift kits, the whole 9 yards. So let's head on down to the bottom. We're going to get started there and work our way back up. All right, guys, so if you have a Yamaha golf cart, stock Yamaha golf cart, whoa, I almost went backwards. Stock Yamaha golf cart, right? And you got those wheels and tires that are just those normal Kenda tires, right? Those are about 18 to 18.5 inches in overall height. You can get rid of those. If you're looking at a new combo, right? And again, the measurement's about 18 to 18.5 inches. We're measuring from bottom of the tire to the top of the tire when it's mounted on the wheel. Anything in 18 to 18.5 inches, no lift kit needed. Doesn't matter what model golf cart, Yamaha golf cart you have. You can take your old ones off and you can put these new ones on. Again, a lot of times people don't think you get off-road tread with such a small tire, but there's plenty of off-road treads you guys can get with these 18-inch combos. Obviously plenty of street tread as well. So again, 18.5 inches, Yamaha golf carts, no problem. Get your old ones off, put the new ones on. Now, talking a little bit more here. We're talking about 20-inch combos. Okay, if you've got a Yamaha golf cart, and let's say you want to put some 20-inch combos on there, okay? So with a 20-inch combo, a couple things with different models, okay? For the G series golf cart, so that's the G1 through the G22 model, okay? Golf cart for Yamaha. If you're looking at 20-inch overall height, you're gonna need a minimum of a 3-inch lift kit. So if you don't have a 3-inch lift kit, you're gonna get a lot of rubbing. Good news is if you have a Yamaha Drive, the G29 or the Drive 2 and 20-inch combo, no lift kit needed. They raise their wheel wells a little bit and you're not gonna have any problems. So again, G series, G21 or G1 through G22, you're looking 3-inch lift kit, Drive 2, no lift kit needed. That's the 20-inch combos. Now, working our way up to the 22-inch overall height, no matter what kind of model Yamaha you have, you're gonna need a lift kit. It's just the size that differs. So, if you look at these tires here, again, all of them about 22 inches in overall height. So, for the G series carts, G1 through G22, you're gonna need a minimum of a 5-inch lift kit to get these installed. If you don't, you're gonna have some major rubbing on your wheel well. For the Drive and Drive 2 golf carts, so again, the G29 and the Drive 2, you need a minimum of 3-inch lift kits for the 22-inch overall height combo. So a little bit different depending on your model. Either a 5-inch for the G series or a 3-inch for the Drive and Drive 2. And then last but not least, we've got the big boys. So these are 23-inch overall combos. These are about as big as they get. Most wheel and tire combos for golf carts don't get any bigger than 23 inches in overall height. But with that being said, no matter you have the G series or the Drive or Drive 2, you're probably gonna want a 6-inch lift kit. Now, G series, you're definitely gonna need a 6-inch. If you had a Drive or Drive 2 that had, you know, good springs, you might be able to get away with a 5, but just to be safe, we typically recommend just get a 6-inch lift kit, and then you can put these big boys on there, whether that's aggressive off-road tread or that's street tread, you're gonna be covered, and you're not gonna have any issues. So, guys, hopefully at this point, you're thinking to yourself, man, that is everything I wanted to know about Yamaha wheels and tires. They covered everything. And if that's the case, that's everything we wanted to accomplish for you guys. So guys, like and subscribe to our videos. We're gonna have plenty more coming. They're gonna be informational, they're gonna be fun, and we're gonna have a great time filming them, giving them to you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.